Hello everyone, today I am going to make a singular and plural English project. TLM or projects can be useful in teaching students everything. So after making this TLM, I will show you how to explain it. Let's get started. So now this project is ready to explain. So first let us understand what is singular and plural noun. Singular means only one, plural means more than one. The rules for spelling plural nouns are based on the letters at the end of the word. So there are some rules for the plural nouns. First, add s to form the plural for most of the nouns. For examples, dog, plural form is dogs. Banana, plural form is bananas. Bird, plural form is birds. Pen, plural form is pens. Then secondly, add es to nouns that end in s, x, z, ch and sh. For example, bus, buses, church, churches, bush, bushes, fox, foxes. Then third rule is for nouns that end in y with a consonant before the y, change the y to an I and add es. For example, baby, plural form is babies. Country, plural form is countries. Story, plural form is stories. Dairy, plural form is dairies. Then fourth rule is for nouns that end in y with a vowel before the y, just add s. For example, tray, trays, turkey, turkeys, donkey, donkeys, way, ways. Then fifth rule is for nouns that end in f or fe, remove the f or fe and add ves. For example, wolf, plural form is wolves. Knife, plural form is knives. Leaf, plural form is leaves. Wife, plural form is wives. Then sixth rule is for nouns that end with a consonant before o, add es. For example, hero, plural form is heroes. Mango, plural form is mangoes. Tomato, plural form is tomatoes. Cargo, plural form is cargoes. Then seventh rule, some nouns change spelling when they become plural. For example, tooth, teeth. T-O-O-T-H, tooth, plural form is T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Child, plural form is children. Mouse, plural form is mice. Man, plural form is man. Then last one and eighth rule is some nouns do not change at all when they are in plural form. For example, ship, plural form is safe, same. Fish, plural form is fish. Deer,
I hope this
plural
project
form
would be
is
helpful
same
for you.
like deer.
I used to upload this type
Moose,
of project
plural
for
form
TNM
is
regularly.
moose.
So if you like my videos, kindly like,
So
share
these
and
are
subscribe
the
my
8
channel
rules
for
for
more
plural
videos
nouns.
like this. Thank you. Thanks for watching.